pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. There are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. And already we're underway here. Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference?
Yeah, Virgil van Dijk. He's just about unbeatable in every department, Peter. He's strong, he's quick, he's totally dominant in the air. And what's more, he seems to really love a tussle. His passing's good too, and he never seems to lose it in important areas. I'd expect this team to notch up a lot of clean sheets with him on board.
Yeah, the scourge of so many strikers. And it's Oscar. He's in! Rashford can get it clear. And here's Dani Alves. Ball swung in. And he's there to clear it. Forward it goes. And here's Insigne. And here's Insigne. It'll be a throw-in. De Bruyne. And De Bruyne! Oh, denied brilliantly!
Well, as test goal, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
And it's been taken short. Shapes to shoot! And that wasn't far away.
Messi nearly produced a moment of magic. He knew the strike was pure.
Bruno Fernandes. Valverde goes long. Tries to get it clear. Bruno Fernandes plays it short. Hit into the middle. Smalling. Oscar. Oscar spreads it towards the left. And it's got through. And that is going to be the final action of the first half. Both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, Peter, apart from the lack of goals, I really don't think there's much to criticise. I think they've got to keep doing what they've been doing, and eventually they should find a way to the back of the net. Here's hoping for them.
And grossing half, but we're still where we started. 0-0. Already up and running for the second half.
Lyon can feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up, but they've played with urgency and purpose and can't afford to lose patience in this second half. They've got to persevere.
Tries a shot!
I can't speak highly enough of the keeper after that save. Can't stop thinking about it.
Lorenzo Insigne. Plays it out to the flank. De Bruyne. Chance to break. Sancho. Tevez. And it's Kurzawa. Insigne! Big relief, it just needed better contact. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Bruno Fernandes, and here's Rashford. Who's ball? Who's going to get there? Lorenzo Insigne. James Rodriguez, and it's Oscar. 0-0 score, and we're just about done. A deeply frustrating game. De Bruyne cuts a frustrated figure right now. He just cannot get a real chance! It's in! In the day, a telling moment. The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
Oh, look, it's always great to see a solo effort with a goal. It's the ideal combination of pace and control.
Well, it's an inspired substitution. Terrific move by the boss.
Well, the instruction from the manager would have been, go on and make yourself a nuisance and see if you can snatch a goal. Mission accomplished.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
Kurzawa. Tevez. Van Dijk. Robertson. Rashford.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Hakimi plays it forward. Mbappe. He's in, short, it's Rashford! Thinks he's got rid of that. Bruno Fernandes has been caught there, it's a foul. And he's going to have it taken. Well, the players are making their point, but the ref clearly isn't interested. He's waved them all away.
Well, he was the one player you had to keep away from the area. Not the best way to do it, though.
Smalling tries to clear. Loose.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Messi. Oscar. And that is it. The referee